Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download WhatsApp desktop app for Windows. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your Windows computer. Type WhatsApp desktop download in the search bar and press enter. Locate the official WhatsApp website from the search results. Click on the link to the official WhatsApp website. Once the page loads, look for the download option. Click on the download button for the Windows version of WhatsApp. A download prompt will appear, asking if you want to save the file. Click Save to download the WhatsApp installer. Wait for the download to complete. Once the download is finished, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the WhatsApp setup file, which usually has a name like whatsappsetup.exe. Double-click on the setup file to start the installation process. A user account control window may appear. Click Yes to allow the app to make changes to your device. The WhatsApp setup window will open. Click on the Install button to begin the installation. Wait for the installation process to finish. Once the installation is complete, click Close to exit the installer. Locate the WhatsApp icon on your desktop or in the Start menu. Double-click the WhatsApp icon to launch the application. You will see a QR code on the screen. Open WhatsApp on your mobile device. Tap on the three dots in the upper right corner and select Linked Devices. Tap on Link a device. Use your phone to scan the QR code displayed on your computer screen. Once scanned, your WhatsApp messages will sync to the. You are now ready to use WhatsApp on your Windows computer. Enjoy chatting and staying connected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.